Does your Canvas course have group work? If so, students must be sorted into groups before they'll be able to interact with group assignments and discussions. This video will show you how to add students to groups manually or randomly. In your course navigation, click on People. The first tab lists everyone in the course, and next to that are tabs for each group set in your course. In this example, we will have a group set for project groups and a group set for discussion groups. If you click on the Project Group tab, you'll see that we've divided the class into 3 groups for projects. Click on a group to see who is in it. Any names that appear in the list to the left are unassigned students who are not in any groups in this group set. In some cases, your entire class will be in the list. In other cases, you'll just need to manage students who join the course late. Checking this column in each group set is the best way to quickly see any students that have not been added to groups. To manually add a student to a group, drag the name into any group that is not already full. To have Canvas sort your unassigned students into groups randomly, click this menu and select Randomly Assigned Students. There might be scenarios in which you decide you want to rearrange group members. For example, if students drop the course and leave you with lopsided groups that you'd like to rebalance. If group work has not been submitted yet, you can simply drag and drop students into different groups. If group assignments have already been submitted in your course and you try to rearrange group members, the Clone Group Set pop-up will appear. This warns you that there may be drawbacks to changing existing groups at this point, and that grades and submissions may be affected. We advise that you reach out to us via the OES Course Assistance Form for guidance if you need to rearrange groups after the semester is underway. Thank you.